Welcome again. So now I'm going to make welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकेन. तर हे जावन आसा beetroot and I'm going to make nice syrup out of beetroot. So we have to make juice out of this first. Add little bit of water and make a juice out of it. Then we have to add sugar and then add little Kewra water, or we can add rose water little bit. So let's do this. So I added 1 cup of water for 6 beetroot. So add some rose water. Sugar we can add how you want. So just adding 3 teaspoons, but you can add more also. And now we have to cook this to make it little thick as a syrup. So we'll mix this and make this little thicker. So whatever comes like this, like a froth, take it out and keep it aside. Put off the induction and it's done. For me this is enough. So now we will cool it down like that. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I am come up with my childhood memories, and that is Falooda. So we used to go to Mapusa and have it. Different places we used to get Falooda, a good Falooda with Seviyan and all. So for that what we need is syrup, that is any syrup, rose syrup or any syrup, but I have made from a syrup from beetroot, okay, which I have showed you at the start. And so this is beetroot syrup, then some Seviyan, cooked Seviyan, some Falooda seeds, that is Sabja, one teaspoon I had soaked, and this much I got. Then we need ice cream, any type of ice cream, and after boiling you cool down in the fridge, so cold milk. So let's assemble. So first thing we need to add our syrup. How much you want, you add that syrup, and just putting the sides. Then we will add our Seviyan. Then we will add our Falooda, that is Sabja. And then we will splash some milk. Oh, sorry. Splash. And then I will add a little bit of ice cream over here also. Then again I will add some Seviyan. It's like how you want, you can assemble it. Some this. Now what I will add, sorry for this mess, I'll just wipe this. Now we will add some Tutti Frutti you can add, or anything you can add. So these are my favorite. I'm going to add this. It's 1 rupee one. So I love this to have it like that also. So what I will do, either you put it all on like that only, or you cut it into small pieces. So you can cut it into small pieces. Or you can add directly Tutti Frutti, anything what is available easily. So we'll add this like this. Some Seviyan again. So this is homemade, that is why I'm adding on this, but market one it is directly. Now we will add our Sabja so and our ice cream, and it's done. A big of ball of ice cream. And enjoy our Falooda with some wafer, just enjoy it. And this one also. Hope you all will enjoy this homemade Falooda, and some cashew nuts also you can add, but yes, just chill and enjoy. Thank you so much, as it is not yet a monsoon over here, and that's why I am making all this and enjoying. Thank you. Devare Koru. And of course, we will add some. In Mapusa, when we used to go, I used to like Falooda for this. This was my favorite among all. Thank you. Devare Koru. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Devare Koru. Homemade royal Falooda or Falooda. Enjoy.
And it's ready to drink. Yummy Falooda with homemade